We have new photos that are coming into us from St. Johns County, specifically from the Sheriff's Office, showing flooding. This is near 210, and you can see that the water is covering the road.
And also some tree damage as well. Here's a, okay, so this is Fruit Cove. It's Holly Berry Lane, where you see a downed tree on a home, or at least a branch. It doesn't look like that, maybe that whole tree fell, but it looks like at least a large branch fell down onto this home.
And that was that flooded retention pond, I think, the video that we showed before.
And you can see these people, though, prepared, at least the front part of their house. You saw it was boarded up, or at least taped up. They tried to do what they could to protect their homes.
Best you can, knowing that you're surrounded by trees, and unfortunately one came down on their roof. Again, this is another picture of the flooded retention pond near that home and in the area of Holly Berry Lane in Fruit Cove. And then moving on to other photos that we are getting. Thank you so much for sending us photos. If you can do so safely, we really appreciate it, so that we can share with our viewers and your neighbors what's going on in the neighborhood. This is still the Holly Berry Lane area of Fruit Cove that's dealing with quite a bit of flooding.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to see the perspective of maybe that's a pond there and where the homes are, but you can see that mailbox, which likely means the home is either behind us or across the street. But that's a retention pond, is what, excuse me, we're being told, and because of the rain, it is now spilled into the street there in Fruit Cove. Also, we have some more pictures, and again, you can send those images to photo@news4jax.com. This is
this a downed tree also, Catherine, in the same area? This is Cary Cove, and that is in Cary Cove, which is on the south side, and you can see that tree is blocking a driveway. It doesn't look like it came down on any homes, just certainly encouraging news, and it looks like there weren't any cars in the way either.
You know, we should point out, though, as we start to see a lot of these trees coming down and people feeling compelled to get out there and clear the road, you know, maybe neighbors and friends want to do something. You know, Richard pointed out that we are still seeing very strong wind and wind gusts out there. It is not the time to walk out with your chainsaw. And I know a lot of people don't have power right now, so if you know someone that's contemplating, you know, going out and actually chopping up a tree, now may not be the time to do it. You want to wait until we see these winds die down a bit.
And this is video on the south bank, right behind, it's right behind our station.
Mm-hmm. Right behind the station. So we're close to the school board, just a little ways from that. And this is that little community. There's a park over there. And it does tend to flood,
Southampton Road,
Southampton
right there,
Road when we get rain. So it was enough to really put some damage there.
And this is an area particularly hit hard by Hurricane Matthew, and once again seeing flooding, though it doesn't appear, at least if you look at the homes on the right and even that one driveway you see on the left past the stop sign, that there is any flooding in the homes themselves. But again, that's the sanctuary. It's right there along the Intracoastal Waterway, and this is Marsh Landing. In fact, I had a friend send me this video, Liz, who this is her folks' home. And that's a pool, a whole patio area. Again, it's right there. You know, Marsh Landing is a beautiful part of kind of Jax Beach, Ponte Vedra, and sadly, it's right there on the water.
Did it get into their home, though?
Just started to approach the front step and then started receding. In fact, I just texted her and I said, hey, because she's out of power, you need to be careful, because now they're evacuating, obviously, all of the beaches again for those who did not evacuate, because they are concerned about additional flooding right there along the ICW, right there along the waterway. So she's discussing that with her family and talking about getting out.
So there's the Riverwalk, and this is a shot from one of the high-rises here on the South Bank, really giving us some perspective on how the St. Johns is right now. So that's an area I run. Jen, you and I will run, you know, that area on the South Bank. It's newly replaced. They just beautify, you know, it's a beautification project that they did, added the colors, added the awnings and the lights. So, you know, it'll be interesting to see what happens when that water recedes.
Oh, yep, so that's the chart house there on the right, and then that's the peninsula, you said, right? Wow.
Yeah, and the peninsula is the one that they had to cut the electricity, the sewer, and the water right there. And
Whitecaps
on the St. Johns, and that water just breaching onto that Riverwalk.